How much does a 65-inch TCL Roku TV weigh? The weight of a 65-inch TCL Roku TV depends on the model, panel type, and whether the stand is attached. On average, it weighs 40 to 55 pounds, 18 to 25 kilograms, without the stand, and 45 to 65 pounds, 20 to 29 kilograms, with the stand. 1. Weight without the stand. A 65-inch TCL Roku TV without the stand typically weighs between 40 to 55 pounds, 18 to 25 kilograms. This makes it suitable for wall mounting, but a strong wall mount is necessary for stability. 2. Weight with the stand. When including the TV stand, the weight increases to 45 to 65 pounds, 20 to 29 kilograms. The exact weight depends on the design and material of the stand, which varies between TCL models. Third factors affecting the TV's weight. The weight of a 65-inch TCL Roku TV is influenced by display technology, LED, QLED, Mini LED, frame material, and built-in components like speakers. Higher-end models with premium materials may weigh slightly more. Fourth, wall mounting considerations. For safe wall mounting, check the TV's VCA mounting compatibility and use a wall bracket that supports at least 70 pounds to ensure stability. 5. Checking the exact weight of your model. Different TCL Roku TV models have slight weight variations. Checking the user manual or the TCL official website will provide the most accurate weight details for your specific model. 6. Handling and installation tips. Due to its size and weight, moving a 65-inch TCL Roku TV requires at least 2 people to prevent damage. Whether using a stand or mounting it, ensure it is placed on a stable surface or a securely installed wall mount. A 65-inch TCL Roku TV typically weighs between 40 to 65 pounds, depending on the model and whether the stand is included. Always check the specifications of your TV before installation to ensure safe handling and mounting.